Hello everyone, welcome to day 41 of the 60 days challenge. I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. So today I'm going to share to you guys a short tip on how to make your shoulders avoiding from cracking. So some of you may be turning here, click crack, some maybe turning here, click crack. You feel uncomfortable? No worries, do this and you will have lesser cracking as soon as you can. I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. Okay, so here before we do all those exercises, be sure to warm up first. So first, what you can do is you can just twist your hand, just spring to the front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So okay, when you do this is to actually avoid it from getting too stiff. So later when you stretch also you will not easily injured on your tendon. So the next step is you stretch first. Okay, go here, stretch like this roughly around 8 seconds. Go, and then another one is go up. This is like normal warm up. Okay, nothing complicated, nothing new. But you see, most of the time people will just put like this. What you need to do is that make sure you reach as much as you can. That's where you can feel the really stretching. That's what we call warm up. So sometimes people just do like this and then it's not considered warm up. So what you want to do is to make sure all the muscles are not at tense. Okay, same thing here and then here. Okay, so all these, do it for 8 seconds. If you can, do 2 to 3 times. All what I did just now. Okay, so then the next step, now here is the part where you can strengthen back for your shoulder. So you extend your shoulder like this. Okay, and what you do is just as simple as just turning. Okay, see my hand, and my hands are all straight. At the same time, my shoulder just turn like this. Turn like this. A lot of time people just turn like this only. Okay, if you really want to feel the fully really strengthening this part, you turn together with your neck. Okay, because remember, your shoulder is not only your hand just moving there here. Your shoulder is also made up from your neck as well. So you have to strengthen, better to strengthen both sides. If you were to keep on strengthening on one side, it will not be balanced. That's why you put a lot of strain on your neck as well. So be sure to do it like this. Okay, turn fully. Okay, if you have watched what yesterday I did, okay, if you haven't watched, please, you can just click on top there. Yeah, that one also is the same thing. Most of the time is that my principle is more to like you have to make sure it's the whole thing, so it will not be unbalanced. So go, because I have a very good lesson on my leg of imbalance already. So a really good lesson already. So I want to straighten it back, not so easy. So I would always try to share out to this. Do not go to there because it's very hard to go back. Okay. So turn front, same thing. Turn to the back, same thing. Do it for how long? For roughly 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. So from the side, you can see here. Just turn roughly this circle. Okay. This circle. No need so big. Okay. Okay. So the next one is that more to on the trapezius. I'm sorry, it's around your neck here. So what you can do is that here. If you have seen yesterday's video, then you know what is this, but I did not explain in detail. So here, what you can do is when your hand try to pull these two shoulder, pull it to the back, okay, and then pull it up. Okay, up like this, maximum. So sometimes if you do not have weight, it doesn't matter. This one, learn how to engage your muscles first. So first, make sure to go down back of the shoulder, chest up. See here, chest up, not chest down like this, yeah. Chest up like this. Okay. Then the next one is that here, you try to go up as high as you can. If you see, sometimes like this is that you thought maximum already, right? Actually, no, you can go up higher. So sometimes if you do not know whether go up higher yet, you can help some more. So sometimes, because this is sometimes limitation from ourselves, so you have to make sure that you are coaching yourself. Imagine there's a coach with you. That's why we have coaches. That's why you have me to help your guys. So because sometimes we do not know whether it's doing maximum or not. So I know because I coach people before, so I understand sometimes these are the things that small things that they are lacking. So take note on this. So sometimes you go up maximum, may not be maximum. Remind yourself to go up higher, as high as you can, because if you never go up fully, same thing like you go for what we call this bicep curl. A lot of people sometimes do until halfway halfway empty here. So the bicep not so nice lor. So what you can do is that make sure it's this fully tension, fully extend and fully flexed. Okay, fully tension and fully stretch. Okay, it's a very simple principle, but you can apply it to all types of exercise. A lot of people do not know this. Yeah, really one. If you know this already, you can even charge people to coach people. I know. Okay, so I hope it helped you all guys, and today is a bit short, I understand that. I'm sorry for that. I'm a bit limited time currently a little bit, got a little bit assignment. So, but anyways, I hope to help you guys with this short tip, and please be sure to comment down below on what you want to see next, and be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good things I'm sharing. So yes, I'll be doing a live session on 15 December on 8 PM at YouTube. So be sure to stay tuned so that anything if you want to ask on the spot, anything you can ask face to face to me in that live session. So I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. See you guys soon. Bye bye.